Recently, we made a video about the benefits of peppermint. Have you watched it yet? Did you know that the essential oil of peppermint can clear your nasal passages, gives energy, is good for your hair, and has many other amazing benefits? Besides that, this oil can also be used to fight bacterial infections, alleviate back pains, muscle aches, and joint pains associated with fibromyalgia and myofascial pain syndrome. So in today's video, you will learn how to make a homemade body oil to treat these pains. Ingredients: 4 tablespoons grapeseed oil, 5 drops lavender essential oil, 4 drops peppermint essential oil, 1 amber glass bottle, 1.35 ounces. Directions: combine the oils in the glass bottle. Close the lid, shake it well, and let the mixture rest. To reap all the benefits from this recipe, apply some drops of the oil over a sore muscle, massaging it with circular motions. While you massage, inhale the aroma and enjoy the therapeutic properties of the formula. Lavender will calm you, while peppermint relaxes and refreshes the hurt area. We suggest using the oil right after a shower. After that, store your bottle in a place away from heat and sunlight for up to 3 months. But it is necessary to check the shelf life of the oils you used. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and